family's outside right now having a lot of fun in the snow, and I'm gonna make them a nourishing, hydrating electrolyte hot chocolate. If you're new, I'm Erica. My husband Mark and I and our 3 children live fully off-grid in Canada. We try to live a healthy and self-sufficient lifestyle, and that's what we share about in our videos. And if you'd like to learn how I went from exhausted with many health issues to having the strength and energy to live like this, check out my free workshop below. So if you've watched many of my videos, you probably know that every day I drink an electrolyte drink. I make my own electrolyte mix, and I have a whole video on that. I will link it up above here and down below. But it's really important to me to get electrolytes for me and my kids and my husband so that we are all hydrated. And one way to do this in the winter time, which is really fun and delicious, of course, is with hot chocolate. And I've heard of people doing this with the Element the Element chocolate flavored packs, but it's really easy to do also if you make your own drink mix. But you can also just do it with salt. Let's make it. So I'm gonna start with water, and I'll put the details of the recipe down below. You can definitely use milk. I don't always have milk on hand, so water is just fine. Now we're gonna whisk in the rest of the ingredients, which are cocoa, honey or maple syrup, really any sweetener will do, my electrolyte mix, some vanilla, and some collagen powder, which is optional but great for adding extra nutrition. Everyone always wants hot chocolate after playing for hours in the snow. And I used to feel like I don't really want to give my kids hot chocolate because it's just a sugary drink. But it turns out you can make it so it's actually quite nutritious for them. So that's what I go for. I allow my kids to have treats. I need another measuring cup. Okay, so yeah, I allow my kids to have treats. I used to be a super stickler about not, but I've realized that I want them to enjoy life, just like I want to enjoy life and have delicious things. But I just, where possible, make the treats as nutrient dense as I can. And it's a lot easier than you might think. I also do as little sugar as possible, just enough so it still tastes delicious, but I find that so many recipes out there just use too much. Like, it doesn't have to be overly sweet to be enjoyable. Oh, there we go. All right. Like I said, any sweetener will do. It's just honey or maple syrup are my go-tos because they do have minerals and other good things. I mean, we are heating this up, so you're losing a lot of beneficial enzymes when you do that, but hey, again, I don't stress about it. I just splashed cocoa water all over myself. Okay, I'm making 4 cups of hot chocolate, so I'm gonna do a teaspoon of vanilla. Now, the salt in the electrolyte mix, it really makes this delicious. You know how salt just brings out flavor and really helps to just makes everything more delicious, even sweet things, especially sweet things. So for the 4 cups, I'm going to put 2 electrolyte packs. I use these little containers for single serving. I make about 100 of them at once, which lasts us a month to a month and a half. Okay, now that optional scoop of collagen, it just adds some really good amino acids that we all need. And it dissolves really easily, doesn't change the flavor, so why would we not do that if we have it? Okay, that's all the ingredients. Now I'm just gonna start whisking it, try to get those lumps out. And of course the honey is going to melt as we heat it up here. So I go through the reasons why I make my own electrolyte mix in that video that I told you about, but I'll just let you know that it's way, way, way cheaper to make your own when comparing the cost of an Element electrolyte packet to the cost of a single serving of my homemade. It was crazy. It was like an eighth of the cost for me to make my own. So I was sold from then on. But I also really like that you can just flavor it however you want. You can mix it with juice. You can just drink it with a squeeze of lemon. You can put it in hot chocolate. You can do whatever you want with it. I have actually felt so much more hydrated ever since I started drinking electrolytes in some form every day. I have consistent energy and I feel great. And adding electrolytes to my life as a daily habit is one of the things that I did that really helped me to feel good and have energy all day, to get all my things done and also be attentive to my kids and enjoy life. So if you want to learn about the other small steps that I took to get here, from being of a place of true exhaustion and having multiple health issues, I will leave a link below to my free workshop where I walk you through exactly what I did. In the electrolyte mix are sodium, potassium, and magnesium. And those are all minerals essential for your body to function optimally, and most people don't have enough. So that's why drinking some of it every day will really help. Something I just started this year is making frozen dollops of whipped cream just for this purpose, to put in our hot chocolate. It's nice because I don't always have cream on hand to make whenever we have hot chocolate. So just having this prepared in the freezer to dunk in the hot chocolate is really convenient and it's a treat. So what I do is simply whip up my cream and put it in dollops onto wax paper, toss it in the freezer, let it freeze, and then I will put them into a bag in the freezer once they're frozen. And whenever we have hot chocolate, we can just pull the bag out and drop one into our hot chocolate. And it's wonderful because it cools off the hot chocolate. So if it's boiling hot like hot chocolate normally is after it's made, you put in that dollop of frozen whipped cream and pretty quickly you've got a really nice temperature for your drink. And of course it adds cream, which makes it just a more decadent, delicious experience. Just leave it there.
Can I have a taste again?
Yeah,
okay. We're making blobs for hot chocolate. We can flop a frozen. I want to get the spoon.
I know you do.
Can I lick one side?
Your soup slobbery.
He said lick one side. Have a taste.
Just wait.
Bip, buddy, bop, buddy, boop.
I know. Hold your horses there. There we go. Okay, I got my cup. A dollop of frozen whipped cream. I love that hack so much. Whoops, I dripped. It's so good, just sweet enough, and that salt just helps to bring out that chocolate and sweetness. It's so yummy. So I hope you'll make your own electrolytes. Follow the recipe in my other video, which I'll link below, and try making some hot chocolate with it this winter season. It's so cozy and so yummy, and you'll be nourishing and hydrating your body at the same time. It's the best. There you go. What do you think?
It's hot.
Is it? Is it yummy though?
Yeah. That's yummy.
Okay, now I'm gonna get the rest of these frozen whipped creams in the freezer so they don't, or sorry, in a bag in the freezer so they don't I can't talk today. So they don't start to taste like the freezer. I really hope you enjoyed this video. We make a new video every week about our off-grid life and trying to live healthfully and self-sufficiently. So I hope you'll subscribe. And don't forget to check out my free workshop in the description below, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.